Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
Best tips for modern bedroom decor and design. Designing a modern bedroom is an exciting venture that allows you to express your personal style while ensuring comfort and functionality. Here are some of the best tips for achieving a modern look in your bedroom. 1. Embrace minimalism. Modern design often embraces a minimalist approach, focusing on simplicity and functionality. Opt for a clutter-free space with clean lines and a limited color palette. Invest in essential furniture pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as a bed with built-in storage. 2. Choose a neutral color palette. Neutral colors like whites, grays, and beiges can create a serene backdrop for your modern bedroom. Use these tones for walls, bed linens, and larger furniture pieces. You can add pops of color through accessories like throw pillows, artwork, or rugs to create visual interest. 3. Incorporate natural materials. Modern design often features natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal. Consider wooden bed frames, nightstands, or accent walls for warmth. Incorporating plants or natural stone decor can further enhance the organic feel of the space. 4. Focus on lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern bedroom design. Aim for a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Use sleek pendant lights, wall sconces, or modern chandeliers to create a stylish atmosphere. Don't forget to utilize natural light as much as possible by keeping window treatments minimal. 5. Invest in quality furniture. Select furniture that embodies modern design principles, such as geometric shapes and smooth finishes. Choose high-quality pieces that are both durable and stylish. Consider a statement bed frame or a unique dresser that becomes a focal point in the room. 6. Create a focal point. Establishing a focal point in your bedroom can enhance the overall design. This could be a stunning headboard, a piece of art above the bed, or a beautifully arranged gallery wall. The focal point should draw attention and anchor the room visually. 7. Mix textures. To add depth and interest to a modern bedroom, incorporate various textures. Combine soft bedding with a plush area rug, sleek metal accents, and wooden furniture. Mixing textures can create a cozy atmosphere while maintaining a modern aesthetic. 8. Personalize with art and accessories. Inject your personality into the space by adding artwork and personal accessories. Choose contemporary pieces that resonate with your style. Use modern frames or exhibit your art in a gallery-style arrangement to make a stylish statement. 9. Use mirrors wisely. Mirrors can make a small bedroom appear larger and brighter. Consider a large statement mirror or a series of smaller mirrors arranged artistically on one wall. They reflect light and create an illusion of depth. 10. Consider functional layout. Finally, think about the layout of your bedroom. Arrange furniture in a way that maximizes space and flow. Ensure that pathways are clear and that you can easily access all areas of the room. A well-thought-out layout enhances both functionality and style. Conclusion. Designing the modern bedroom is all about balancing aesthetics and practicality. By incorporating these tips, you can create a space that reflects your personal style while remaining comfortable and inviting. Remember to keep it simple, choose quality materials, and most importantly, make it your own. Coordinating ceiling and wall designs with bedding and furnishings in modern bedrooms. When designing a modern bedroom, the coordination of ceiling and wall designs with the bed, furnishings, and lighting is crucial for creating a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing environment. Here are some insightful tips on how to achieve this balance effectively. 1. Choose complementary colors. The colors of your ceiling and walls should harmonize with your bedding and furnishings. For a modern look, consider painting walls in neutral shades and keeping the ceiling a lighter color to create an airy feel. If you have a statement bedspread or patterned pillows, ensure that the wall colors enhance rather than clash with these bold elements. 2. Incorporate texture and patterns. Textures and patterns can significantly affect how a room feels. For modern bedrooms, consider using textured wallpaper or a feature wall painted in a different way. If you have a smooth, minimalist bed frame, pairing it with a textured ceiling, such as wood paneling or coffered designs, can create visual interest. Similarly, use patterned textiles in your bedding to add depth against flat surfaces. 3. Align styles and shapes. Ensure that the styles of your ceiling design and wall treatments align with your bedding and furniture. If you have a sleek, contemporary bed frame, choose a ceiling design that features clean lines, such as a flat ceiling with recessed lighting, rather than ornate moldings or highly decorative features. The shades of your furnishings should echo the design of your walls and ceilings, creating a unified aesthetic. 4. Consider lighting as a design element. Lighting should not only serve a functional purpose but also contribute to the overall decor. Modern bedrooms benefit from layered lighting that can highlight architectural features. Use recessed lights or LED strips along the edges of the ceiling to create a warm glow. Pendant lights or stylish sconces can be chosen to complement the furniture's aesthetics. Opt for fixtures that echo the materials or colors found in your bedding or decor accessories. 5. Create balance with accessories. Accessories are key to tying a room together. Select decorative items like vases, picture frames, or lamps that reflect the overall color scheme and style of the room. For example, if you have a minimalist bed frame with simple bedding, consider adding visually striking accent pieces or wall decor that complements the ceiling and wall colors. 6. Utilize functionality in design. Consider the functionality of design elements when coordinating your space. If you have bedside tables, ensure that the items on them relate to the overall theme and color of the room. Use storage solutions that match your decor while keeping clutter at bay. This helps maintain an organized appearance that enhances the room's modern vibe. 7. Play with scale. When coordinating designs, pay attention to the scale of your furnishings, ceilings, and walls. A large bed in a room with high ceilings can be complemented with tall lamps or oversized artwork on the walls. In contrast, a low-profile bed looks best in a room with a lower ceiling when paired with hanging light fixtures or narrow wall decor to avoid overwhelming the space. 8. Incorporate natural elements. Bring in natural elements that align with modern aesthetics. Use wooden beams or paneling for ceilings to add warmth and texture. Choose a color palette for your bedding that reflects these natural tones. Incorporate plants as decor elements, enhancing the modern theme while softening the look of hard surfaces. Thank you for watching and welcome to Decor Pro 2. We appreciate your support, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring decor ideas and tips to enhance your space.